front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then, to record and add an audio file, use this microphone at the bottom right corner. Just hold it to record, and to discard your recording, swipe it to the left. To add it though, just let go. As you can see, mine was successfully attached. If you want to add a video one, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And if your video is recent, tap on it here to attach it. If it's not, select this icon of a gallery on the left. Look for it here. Click on it and select Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, you need to tap on the same gallery icon. Select Folders and look for your video over here. Then tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!